In this video, I'll show you how to extract pages from PDF file in a free and secure way without installing any apps. First, open your browser. In the address bar, type app.moditool.com and press Enter. Once you're on the website, click on the PDF editing module. As you can see, there are several PDF editing options available. What we're interested in is Extract Pages. After clicking it, upload the PDF file you want to work with. Below the input field, you'll see a few examples showing how to enter page numbers for a single page, multiple pages, or a page range. In this case, I'll extract pages 1, 3, and 4, so I'll type. When you're ready, click the blue button to extract the pages and download your new PDF. And that's it. You now have a new PDF file containing only the pages you selected. Thanks for your time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're looking for a free tool to edit files or images, give Moditool a try. Our free tool offers many useful options, and most importantly, your files are safe. Everything is processed locally in your browser. Your files are not uploaded to external servers, and nothing is stored online.